Alright, hello guys. So we're back with another video. So I'm gonna tell you how to make a QR code. So first thing you wanna go is go into your browser, type in QR code -monkey.com and then go. And then you'll be at this page. So it's free, so you can do lots of these different things. There's URL, just plain text, email, phone, SMS, etc. We're just going to stick with the URL. And you have to type in the full URL. You can't just type in, if you're going to like Google, you can't just type in google.ca or google.com depending on where you live. You actually have to type in https://. So if you wanted to go to Google, you can just type in http://www.google.ca. And then if you want to change the color, so since Google is kind of like every color, I guess, we'll just go with a gradient color. And then we'll just do like, I have no idea how this works. You know what, this is fine. We'll just go with this. And then we have to, if you want to add an image, it's free to add an image, unlike all these other websites. That's why this is my favorite. So you can just take a photo, or you can have one in my library. I have one of Google, so I'm gonna upload that. That's gonna be in the middle of it, and can customize a design, so it can be like cool, like with lines and stuff, and it can be like this, and it can be like that or something. And it still scans, so what you have to do is just click create QR code, and it should create it. Yes, that is great. And then you can download PDF, and it's pretty big if you're on mobile, but you just have to select it all, and then you click on save image. And then if you want to put it in a QR code scanner, this one, not all of them, but this one you can actually just scan one from your device. So click on this one, and it should scan. And there we are. We're on Google now, and like that, it was really easy to make a QR code. Of course, you're probably not going to make a QR code for Google. You can make one if you're like a teacher. You can make one. You have to scan it, and it'll give you text for like a math problem or something. But or anything else, you can just use this website. It's free, and I am not sponsored. So it's my dog. If you can hear him, he's really annoying.